Are we ready? Are we ready? We are ready. Hello, my beautiful Fumi Nation. Lovely to see you. We are doing something different today. We are not having sister to sister. We are going to have bra hack number 9. Bra hack number 9. And we are going to get rid of what? Those saggy, long, sweaty boobs. It's a mouthful. I know, but I see this look all the time. You know how you have your boobs wedged together right here? It's a no, honey. It's a no. Your boobs should not be squished like this together with this long line. Am I guilty of it? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. But right here, it tells you that you are absolutely wearing the wrong bra. Why, Fumi? I'll tell you. First and foremost, let us take off this beautiful wrap dress that I have had about 15 years. I do love it. I do love it. I think I got this at Express, but we're taking it off. There comes a time. Yeah, let's take it all off for me. There comes a time, my darlings, when you have to get rid of some of your bras. Why? Because it's no longer giving you the support that you need. Translation, it's all drooped. When it drops like this, you're gonna have the sweat underneath here. The bra is going to be wet. The bra no longer understands the assignment. That's what's happening. Then you can put your hand right here. You can put your whole hand in the back of your bra right here. It's not giving the support. Instead, it's rising up and it's drooping in front because you think that it's all in the straps. But when you tighten the straps, it just goes right up here because you've got the gap. If you get to the last eyelet, the last one, in the back of your strap, time for you to get another bra. As a matter of fact, this whole bra has got to go. I wore it because I know some of you have it in your wardrobes. Some of you are wearing it as I speak. It's got to go, sunshine. For those big boobs, this does not work. It just makes you slouchy. The shoulders slouchy. Your outfit slouchy. It ages you. It does age you. We're not working with that. So what, my darlings? This bra has got to go. It has totally got to go. Because we do not have what? We don't have a gore. We don't have, that's the centerpiece right there that rests on the chest and separates the boobaloops. So what do we have? We have a bra. Here, my darling, here, my darlings, is a bra that has an underwire, which is very good for big busted, and it has a gore. And as you can see, the gore is not even that big because I'm trying to show you where you can have that low and sexy, that low and hot. It's not only for the small breasted sisters, the big limousine girls like moi, we can do it. You'll be amazed. Look at the strap. Not a problem, but you've got to understand your cup. And do you see that lovely deep V? That's what you need to have that beautiful decollage where you can wear those low cut dresses. You have to have what? And you know how I am. You have to have the bra. The bras are coming. The bras are coming. I was in heavy dispute. I had to get everything patterned. And the problem was I became my biggest challenge because I had gone ahead and done all of these wonderful bra hacks, had them out there. So they were like, but the bra hack is out there and it was you that did them. So we had to get all of that sorted. It's coming, my darling. You don't even know what I have for you. Big limousine sisters like myself and all the way to the itty bitty titty committee. Yup, I got you. We also need what? My gorgeous push-up tape. You know how I am with tape. You need the two. It's a marriage up in here. The support. So we have my push-up tape and we have the clear tape, which I will show you. So I just wanted to let you know what the bra looks like. It's a sports bra. It's good if you're going to the gym, if you're going to bed, those loose bras, but you don't want your boobs all over the place. I completely and absolutely understand. But you don't want saggy boobs. You don't want the sweat anymore. You want to have that lift. You want to have that gorgeous deep V. You want to make sure that the bust is lifted up. You're not going to get it with this kind of bra. It's not going to what? It's not going to work. So we're going to take the bra off. Yes. We lift the bust into the cups. Okay, put the straps on. And we go in for the kill. This is what you should have. Right away, I can breathe. You don't have those sweaty clay marks down your boobs. You do not have sweat from underneath your boobs. Can you see? There's a difference now. All of that is gone. All of that is gone. And you have your boobs separated, lifted, no sweat, no sag, no nothing. Perfect, absolute fit. Guess what, my darlings? You're going to take some scissors because you want to look gorge. And you want everything in place and not moving. Where are my scissors? I'm all about boobs. I'm all about boobs. I've always been all about boobs. I just feel that they really are like your eyebrows. They are the curtains to your outfit. They are. They really are. And like your brows, they don't have to be the same size. Not at all. So we're going to cut some of my beautiful push-up collaboration tape. We're going with the clear because we live and we love. And then we're going to split it in half like so. That's all that you need. Okay? We're going to split that in half. We're going to cut it. Woohoo! Voila. And we're going to take the tape like so, and we're going to put it right on the edge. Voila. And because it's so soft and it feels like skin, you forget that it's there. You truly, truly do. And that keeps the boobs separated, because some bras it can spill in. I completely understand, because those of you that are in America, you might not get Marks and Spencer like this, you might not get the gore down like this, you might get different bras that have the gore down here, but you want to keep it aired out and separated. And in so doing, you use my beautiful collaboration push-up tape. It's as simple as that. It is as simple as that. And you can just fold it in. Okay? Then, what are we going to do? We're going to wear the dress again. Okay? And there you have it. Let me just lift it up for you guys so that you can see. There you go. Okay? This, my darling, is a red carpet trick that we've been doing for years. For years. And you get that gorgeous deep V. I am a 36, 34 F. So for those of you that are saying, oh, you know what, my boobs are big, I'm a big girl too. Okay, we put it on, put on the dress, voila. I live for it, and you will see the difference in no time at all. Let me just put this one right through. Voila. And there you have it. So let me just tie over. That's it. And there you have a beautiful, deep, gorgeous decollage that you don't have to worry about. It will not move. I wanted to share this with you, just a simple little inky dinky for you guys, so that you can see how fabulous this is. You can go ahead, and you can even use the wide double tape, and you can put that in front. Okay, let me just take two beautiful strips from the double-sided tape. Da, 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 da. Voila. Thick and nice. You put that right there. Perfect. And you just touch it up. Are we loving, my darlings? Are we living? Oh, I am loving and living for this. And that's it. Look at how gorgeous that is. Let me just push my label in the back right there. Voila. It is all about the bra, my darlings, and the tip. Okay. My brand will have international shipping. Put that right there. Close it up. Smooth it down. And there you have it. So you have it really opened and spread out. Just look at the difference. It boosts your confidence. You're just swinging your head back. And you're like, oh wow. There you go. And look at the back. Smooth, nice and tight. Because you have, my darlings, the right support. Do we love the lip, my darlings? It is actually by Jaclyn Hill. I am loving this kid when I tell you. She's so amazing. She came out with the Lip Pout Bold. There we go, Lip Pout Bold. I'm in it. And I absolutely love the shade. So I'm going to open it up for you guys. And there you have. I think she's got 7 of them with lip pencils to match. She also has, which is kind of new, well, she has a sharpener to sharpen all of your pencils. Love. And then, my darlings, she has this, which is like a lip eraser. Let me just double check it, because she's got like a little brochure here which was sent to me, and I just wanted to share with you guys. It is called, yes, it is called a Pout of Nourishing Lip Remover. And so what you do is that you just open it up, and it's like a clear base, like so. There you go. And you just put that over, and it just wipes it off with ease, because you know how liquid lips are. So she sent me this. There's another one that I like a corally orange. So gorgeous, but I've worn a lot of oranges in the past, and I just love this bold lip. For whatever reason, I said I don't need my wig for this. I think it's strong, very Grace Jones-esque. Yeah, I hear you guys. I read all of the comments, and I just wanted you to see this gorgeous, strong decollage. So, my darlings, I tell you, get rid of that bra, or don't wear it when you want to have this beautiful, deep decollage, and absolutely get my clear push-up tape. I'm going to be back with a lot of bra hacks, and you're going to need this. Don't forget my discount code. Yes, get something for free too. Use my discount code when you're getting this for the tape, as well as what? As well as the double-sided tape. You're going to, it's a necessity to your fabulosity. How about that? That's why I did it. I wanted to step away from makeup for a minute, and I wanted you guys to really know all of the tips and tricks in dressing well, in being well dressed, because it is never about the size. It's not about the size, my darling. It's about the underpinnings. And I am here to share all of my tips and tricks. Red carpet, wedding, you name it. We're coming into spring, summer again, so we want to get it right. I hope you enjoyed the episode, my darlings. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and leave all of your comments, queries, questions down in the comment section. Okay? All of my love, darlings. Do we love? Do we live?